Donnybrook Road, and go south. Here currently it's a 2-lane road, and we're changing it to a 5 lanes. But as you can see, it's just about 10 miles of road. There's places that the back of our sidewalk is the edge of the right of way. And then there's some places, generally speaking, we have 6 to 8 feet, and for the most part, between the back of our sidewalk and the right of way.
I mean, we can fit it in there. It's tight. We can fit it in there, but it saves a lot of money from buying up all these properties. And
it's going to be painful for a while, but when we're done, it's going to be so much better.
Oh,